So back on the free stretch in the golden hole. See if it's still fishing. Lovely, on the clip. Had a few guineas last night, so I'm not entirely up for it, but you can't catch them sat at home. Mate, there is a right pack of birds there. I don't know if you can see them on its sky. It's going off. Oh, as soon as I get settled, there's a boat. Yarrow. I was getting edgy. Got fully done there, fully done. Caster got blitzed. Yep, nick one of my casters there. I think what I might do is try a bit of bread. Yep, oh, have I bumped it? I have. It was on briefly. Proving to be a tricky customer tonight. Oh, here we go. It's livening up a bit now. Yep, the old faithful bread punch. That's what we needed. So it has been tricky. I've been through a full selection of baits. But the bread punch, as always, comes up trumps. Quality roach. There we go. I mean, conditions tonight are great, but we have had a lot of hot weather. Oh, Rich, asleep on it again. Getting a few more bites now though. Whoa. Oh, just got done and just launched it straight into the snag. That is great banter, that. Oh, and it's off. Get on. I don't think my hook's up to much, to be honest. It's a bit blunt. Tell you what we'll do. We'll try corn on air rig, because I've got some of them tied up. See, the thing is with air rig, if they take that and they get it in, they'll generally have them. Obviously, they have to wolf it in. Yep. On air rig. First chuck. I don't know if that's just come off. It hasn't all. Oh man. I don't know what is going off lately, but the luck is not with me. One thing, if you ever air rigging corn, I mean I've got it on a little quick stop here, you want the open end facing away from the hook, otherwise it acts as like a bit of a parachute when you reel it in, and then it twizzles up all your uplink. Oh, I don't know why I struck there. Definitely being picked up like, but obviously didn't wallop it in. Well, bit of a non-starter tonight, but that's the nature of river fishing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.